Welcome back to WizzKidz TV. We have surprise eggs in here. Let's take them out and see what's inside. Let's open it up. It's a little snowman.
Yay!
A little snowman. Let's put it over here. Let's see what else we have. I wonder what's inside. Do you know what this is? A little bee. It's a bee. Let's open another one up. I wonder what this is. Are you ready? A panda bear.
Yay!
It's a baby panda. Let's see what else we have. Let's open this one up. It's a Christmas tree. Look at the star on the Christmas tree. A Christmas tree. I wonder what's in here. It's a unicorn.
Hooray!
It's a unicorn. What's in this one? A bunny rabbit. It's a little bunny rabbit. Bunny rabbit. Let's open it up. Can you see inside? Do you know what it is? It's an astronaut. An astronaut. Let's open it up. It's a carrot.
Yummy!
A carrot. Yum. I love carrots. What's this? It's a pink teddy bear. A pink teddy bear. Let's open this one up. It's a little baby. A little baby boy. A baby. Do you see any more? Let's have a look. We opened them all up. This was so much fun. Thank you so much for opening the eggs with me. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.